Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to convert rows into the column. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the row which you want to convert into the column. So after selecting the rows, then copy this row, press Ctrl and C, and after this select the cells or column which you want to convert these rows into the column. So after selecting the cells, click on the right side of mouse, and here you can see paste special option, so just click on it. After this you can see transpose option, so click on transpose and then click on OK. So you can see the rows is converted into the column. So guys, in this way you can convert rows into the column. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.